Fine. It originates at Nasik, Triambak Plateau. Triambak, Triambak Plateau. Fine. From there, it flows and joins Bay of Bengal. Here, it gets divided into two distributaries. See, distributary is a geography term, mind it. If a river gets splits into two or more, like one or more streams, then these are called distributaries of this river. Right? So this distributaries, one is Gautami Godavari, and other is Vasishtha Godavari. Vasishtha name comes in which dynasty? Gautami Putra Shatakarni, Vasishtha Pulyami. Which dynasty? Shatavahana dynasty, right? Yeah. Now let's begin the journey of Godavari. So first, it has Jayakwari Dam. In Maharashtra. This is to provide water to Drodpon Marathwada region. Fine.
Ma'am, which region?
Maharashtra. Okay, Drodpon Marathwada. MAR Marathwada. These Marathwada, Vidarbha, these are the drought regions because they are on the Deccan soil, like semi-arid regions, and they are on the leeward side of Western Ghats, so they don't get enough rainfall. Jayakwari Dam. And there is a tributary joining Godavari, which is Manjira, on which there is a reservoir called Nizam Sagar. Fine. And when we move to the downstream, there is also one more reservoir here, which is Sri Ram Sagar. Sri Ram Sagar project we call. Fine. And next comes the important tributary, which is Pranahita. First, let me explain from above. Actually, this is Varda. Fine. Its right bank tributary is Penganga. Penganga. Fine. And from left, it gets Wainganga. Wainganga. So when Varda with loaded waters of Penganga joins with Wainganga, it becomes Pranahita. And here we have the famous lift irrigation project. What is this? Now you must answer it. It is in the news. Kaleshwaram. Fine. Kaleshwaram is at a point where Godavari and Pranahita merges. Fine. And next comes Indravati River. It originates in Kondan Hills, Orissa. It is like a part of Eastern Ghats, like some range, Orissa. Fine. And it cuts across Papikondalu range. Papikondalu range. Papikondalu. Fine. Here we find a great pilgrimage site, which is Bhadrachalam. And then comes one more tributary finally, which is Sileru River. The right bank tributary of the Sileru River is Sabari. And finally, you have Polavaram here. Polavaram project. Fine. And at Rajahmundry district, Godavari splits into distributaries. Gautami Godavari, Vasistha Godavari. Finally joining what? Bay of Bengal. Fine. On Vasistha Godavari, there is a barrage now. Let me use this color. Fine. On Vasistha Godavari, there is a barrage which is called Dhavaleshwaram Barrage or Arthur Cotton. Sir Arthur Cotton project or Dhavaleshwaram project. Fine, this is about Godavari. Now you just note it down, I'll explain you. So it originates in Nasik district, Triambakeshwar Plateau or Triambak Plateau. From there, it feeds Jayak Wadi Dam, which provides irrigation or which provides water service to drought hit Marathwada region. And moving downstream, there is a tributary called Manjira joining Godavari. So a reservoir on Manjira is Nizam Sagar. And then there is a Sriram Sagar project. And moving down, there is an important river Pranahita. Pranahita is formed by the merging of Varda and Vainganga. And the tributary of Varda is Painganga. The point where Pranahita merges with Godavari, there is a famous project, Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project. Next comes left bank tributary Indravati, which originates at Kundan Hills, Orissa, joining Godavari. And from there, it cuts across Papikondalu range. And down the stream, there is one more left bank tributary, Sileru River, which itself has a tributary called Sabari. And you have a Polavaram project, and then it splits into distributaries. One is Gautami Godavari and other is Vasistha Godavari. On Vasistha Godavari, it has a barrage called Arthur Cotton Barrage or Dhavaleshwaram project.
PDF of the same is available in the Telegram channel and link is provided in the description. Thank you. Have a nice day.